Yes, kids, today we are going to start with two recipes. One is our chickpea burger and the second is garlic bread. So first we are going to start with our chickpea burger. So let's see how we will prepare our chickpea burger tikki. So here I have this butter with me. These are boiled chickpeas. It is approximate 1 cup of boiled chickpea, half cup of chopped onion. These are normal size 4 boiled potatoes which I have already mashed them. This is 1/4 cup of green peas and corn flour, normal corn flour. इसके packets available है. If corn flour is not available, you can use a bit of maida also for the binding of the tikki. Salt, black pepper, and here we have with us this is chili flakes and mixed herbs. And this is garlic. I have already crushed the garlic. So let's start. First I will pour butter in my pan. Let the butter heat. Let it melt first. Yes, now my butter is hot. I am going to pour crushed garlic in it. Just for 2 seconds, cook the garlic. Now I am going to pour my onions in it. अनियन को बस सॉटे करना है हल्के से, ओवर कुक नहीं करना अनियन को, बस हल्का सा. व्हेन यू सी इट इज गोइंग टू टर्न ट्रांसपेरेंट. इसको मैंने सिम गैस पे छोड़ दिया है. मीनवाइल आई एम गोइंग टू सी दीज आर द बॉइल्ड चिकपीस. सी हाउ सॉफ्ट दे आर. इसका वाटर मैंने ड्रेन कर दिया है. डोंट थ्रो द वाटर, यू कैन यूज दैट वाटर बिकॉज उसमें बहुत ज्यादा प्रोटीन होता है चिकपीस में. तो उसमें जो उसको एज अ सूप भी यूज कर सकते हो बिकॉज उसमें बहुत ज्यादा मिनरल्स, बहुत ज्यादा वाइटामिन होते हैं. आई एम गोइंग टू मैश माई चिकपीस. Side by side I'll keep stirring my onion. And here are green peas. I'm going to mash them also randomly, not very much, just a bit of it. Yes, my onion is almost done. It is almost done. इसको ओवर कुक नहीं करना, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं कुक करना इसको. Now I will add these mashed potatoes in my onions. Yes, I will put seasoning in it. I'm going to add salt as per to your taste. Black pepper. Almost 1 teaspoon chili flakes. You can increase or decrease chili flakes according to your taste. And pizza seasoning. I am going to off my flame. And now this mixture I will mix in my mashed chickpea and pea mixture. I will mix them nicely, all of my mixture. See, the dough is been ready. I will put some corn flour in it for the binding, because we are going to deep fry these. You can call it patty or you can call it tikki, whatever you like to say. Just mix it. Now I need my hands to be used here. Mix it nicely. In this material, approximate 2 to 3 tablespoons corn flour will go. It is sufficient. If you want, you don't want to use corn flour, you can even use breadcrumbs in it. It is your choice, whatever you want to use. I usually use, so see, my dough is ready. Now I will put oil in my pan and prepare small patties of it. I am going to put another pan and I am going to transfer oil in this pan to fry my tikkis. You can use any oil, refined oil, whichever oil you want. So let the oil be hot. Yes, meanwhile I have some oil in my bowl. Rub oil on your hands and make a shape of patty. Nicely oil your hands so that the batter should not stick your hand. Prepare a bowl shape, then press with your fingers and flatten it from the side like this. इसको प्रेस कर लो और इसकी जो शेप है ये आपकी प्रॉपर पैटी शेप रेडी हो जाएगी. See, like this. Roll it and then put some oil on your hand. Press it और साइड से इसको इस तरह से फ्लैट कर दीजिए. See. Meanwhile, my oil is getting hot. Let's prepare the sauce which we are going to apply on our burger. This is normal mayonnaise sauce. I'm going to put some ketchup in it. Approximate in 3 tables of mayonnaise sauce, half teaspoon of ketchup. Mix it. Bit of chili flakes and seasoning. We don't need to add salt in it because the mayonnaise sauce itself ketchup also has a salt and mayonnaise sauce also has a sauce in it. And bit of Kitchen King masala. This is our Kitchen King masala. I'm going to add Kitchen King masala in it. This really enhances the taste of our sauce. Kitchen King masala. It is easily available. It is your choice because if we add this, so it will give us the tandoori sauce. Even you can take a tandoori mayonnaise also. When you add Kitchen King in it, it gives the taste of tandoori noodles. I think so. My oil is almost hot. Let me check. Before putting your big tikkis, just put a small amount of the batter to check whether it is spreading or it is fine. See, can you see the bubbles in it? Yeah, my oil is hot and the batter is yes. Now I'm going to put my first patty. Let it fry. Be very careful while you are frying because oil is very hot. Or do under the instructions of your parents. Don't do it all alone because oil is very hot. When you fry anything, oil is very hot. So be very careful. Place a tissue on a plate to take this patty out. It is still being prepared. Yes kids, our sauce is already ready. We need these kind of buns to prepare our burger. See, these are the buns. I'm going to apply my sauce on my burger. See, this way. Apply it nicely. I think so my patty is almost done on the other side. Let me see once again my patty. Otherwise it is going to be burned. Yes, it is almost done. I'll turn it so that it is cooked from the both sides. I have cabbage with me. I will place cabbage on the bottom. I have this cut salad with me, tomatoes, and here my tikki has been done. I will transfer it in my plate kept with the tissue. And now I'm going to pour my second tikki for my second. Be very careful while you are frying it. Yes, now I will place my tikki and here I am going to put my onions on my burger. Because onion doesn't have salt, I am going to sprinkle a bit of salt on it. Already I have applied the sauce. If you want, you can apply. Again, I'm going to place my cabbage. You can even use lettuce for it. And going to place my this burger on it. Just let me see the tikki. Meanwhile, it is almost being fried. Still, it's not fully fried. Let's place the cabbage on our other burger. See, this way once again I am telling you how to prepare a burger. See, I am going to place my cabbage over here. Then my tomatoes. Even you can prepare a coleslaw also by chopping the cabbage and mixing it in the white sauce. A coleslaw is ready. Even you can prepare that also. It is your choice whether you want to have full cabbage or you want a chopped cabbage. Yes, my other tikki is also ready. I'm going to take it on there and I'm going to off my gas. Yes, when your burger is ready, take a toothpick and insert in it so that when you microwave it, Your salads are not spread away. Okay. We will microwave it for approximate 30 seconds. Now I will tell you how to prepare a garlic bread. First we will prepare for the garlic bread. On the pan, I have this garlic cloves with me. I am going to crush them in my Oakley. This little Oakley, I am going to crush my fresh garlic in it. Just like this. Very nicely crush them. It has been done. Don't make it like a paste, just do it randomly. It is done. Yes. Now I am going to keep it on the side. Already my pan is heated. I am going to add oil. This is olive oil, approximate half cup of olive oil. Just let it be hot, bit of it. Not very much. My oil is hot. I have added this oil क्योंकि अगर मैं डायरेक्ट ऐसे बटर डालूंगी तो बटर जल सकता है. Now I am going to add this butter in my oil. See, सिर्फ बटर को मेल्ट करना है इसमें. You can take any oil, refined oil. I had with me olive oil, so I have used olive oil. You can take any oil. बस सिर्फ इसके बटर को हमने मेल्ट करना है. Meanwhile, when butter is being melted, गैस को एकदम स्लो रखना. You will add your garlic in it. Because जब ऑयल और बटर गर्म होगा, गार्लिक अपना पूरा फ्लेवर उसमें छोड़ देगा. Switch off your gas. Your oil for your garlic bread is ready. Now we will add seasoning in it. Chili flakes, oregano seasoning or pizza seasoning, you can say it. Bit of black pepper and salt. So my butter is ready. I am going to transfer it in another pan. Yes, my oil for my garlic bread is prepared. I'm going to preheat my microwave on my grilling mode. And meanwhile, I will prepare my loaves of my garlic bread. I have taken these kind of buns, same buns we are using for our burgers. First, I will apply this oil on my loaf with my garlic. Apply it nicely. All the edges of your bread should be covered with this prepared garlic oil. You can take any bun or even you can take a normal bread also. Even a brown bread or a white bread, whatever you like to have, you can take it. See, I have applied it over here. apply it very nicely. Yes, there should be garlic because it is a garlic bread. So a garlic should come in your mouth while you're. If you don't like that garlic should become कि उसके आपके मुंह में आए, आपको नहीं पसंद है, you can prepare a paste of garlic also. Because food is according to our taste buds. I am telling you the traditional way of making a garlic bread. Okay, it is done. Now I have with me corns, boiled corns. I am going to add some corns on it. Here I have capsicum. You can add any veggies according to your taste. Mushrooms. You can add red, yellow, green capsicum. You can add carrots. You can add onion. Whatever you like. Any veggies. It is your taste. According to your taste, you can add any veggies and capsicum. Spread it nicely on your garlic bread. Cover the bread with all the veggies. No veggies should be seen on the. Okay, it is done. Now sprinkle the seasoning on it. If you don't like very spicy, no need to sprinkle chili flakes because already we have added chili flakes in our garlic oil. Bit of salt on it, and here I have grated cheese with me, and I am going to spread my grated cheese. Yes, it is almost done. See how tempting it seems to be. I will microwave it when I'll grill it. Now I'll transfer it on my grilling tray. And I will grill it. I'm going to put it in my micro. Kids, if you don't have microwave, it is not necessary you need an oven. Take a tawa and keep the bread on the tawa and cover it with a lid. And your same garlic bread will be ready on the tawa. Okay, it's almost, I think so, my garlic bread must be ready. Let's see. Open the microwave. Wow. My garlic bread is almost ready. I'm going to take out the tray. See how tempting it seems to be. So I will place it first over here because it's very hot. Be very careful. First transfer it in a plate so that I can remove this grill. Yes. And now for a minute I am going to microwave my burgers also. As I've told you, if you don't have a microwave, it is not necessary that you have to microwave your burger or your bread. You can even do it on the tawa. When we were small, our moms never used to have a microwave. वो हमको तवे पे ही करके देती थी, and that is the best way to do it. So meanwhile, when my microwave is working, I'm going to cut my garlic bread from the center for my plating with a pizza cutter. Because plating is very important, क्योंकि अगर plating अच्छी नहीं है, खाना कितना भी tempting है, सर्व अच्छे से नहीं किया है, तो वो मजा नहीं आता है. Okay, see, I have here a small platter with me. I have kept a leaf of cabbage. Here I have a dip, all-time favorite of every kid, cheese dip. I am placing it over here. I am going to pour bit my corns with my capsicum. And now I am going to place my, wow, see how my garlic bread on this platter. this way. My burger is also been done. See, the platter of our garlic bread is ready. Wow, how tempting it is. See, now it's time of my burger to be plated. Yes, here I have one more platter. Okay, I'm going to take my burger out. Let me shift this platter over here. Yes, my burger is ready. Wow, it's too hot. I'm going to place my burger over here. I'm going to drop some drops of my sauce just to do a beautiful plating. Take a toothpick and make a leaf, a line of a leaf on your plate. And now I'm going to place your all-time favorite nachos in my plate. See kids, our garlic bread and our burger has been saved. It is ready to eat. Now make it at your homes and try it and enjoy.